Did you know that you can actually become an influencer and influence for businesses on impact.com? Impact.com is traditionally a marketplace, an affiliate marketplace, but they've been stylishly trying to include a form of influencer program for people who want to do influencing. So what influencers do is that they market products for people. They basically have an audience and they market products for this for companies. And what companies do is that companies pay these influencers money to actually talk about the products that they use. So Impact is making it easy for businesses and then for influencers to use this opportunity to transact. And the important thing or the interesting thing here is that everybody is basically an influencer these days. So businesses are just looking for you to create this content for them, and then they will give you commissions to do that. So in this video, I want to show you how to find influencer programs that you can join and make money using impact.com. First, Impact did an overhaul of their interface, and this is now the interface. It's cleaner, but I feel like it's still lacking something, but overall it's fine. All right, so this is impact.com. I already have videos on how you can register on this platform, so you should check out those videos. I'll put the link in the description of this video. So if you come to the dashboard, you want to come to discover here, and you come here, you see where it says find campaigns. These are where influencers will see campaigns. They are called campaigns. So influencers will have gigs that they do, and then they will be paid for doing these gigs. So once you click on find campaigns, you are going to see, just like when we have brands, you are going to see different things here, and brands can invite you to come and be an influencer for them, or you can apply, or you can even negotiate. So you have the option to make your own pricing. You can tell brands how much you want to be paid, and brands can negotiate this price with you. And from here you find the ones that you are currently participating in, and this is where you see all the campaigns. You see your favorites, the campaigns you've completed, and the ones you have rejected. To join campaigns, you can basically come here, search for the names if you already know the names of these brands. But if you do not know the names, you will have to use these filters here to filter out what you are looking for. So here we have 23 campaigns that we can influence for, and we are going to go through some of them to see what we will gain for influencing this product. So if you come here, you see the categories. You can find them by your categories or the categories. Let's say you are interested in insurance, you have an insurance background or anything, you can see insurance things that you can influence for. So you can select also, you can check also by the brands. You can come here and see different kind of brands that are currently or running influencer programs. You can select by you can select them by the platforms that they want, because these are basically contents. All right, so let's say you are heavy on Facebook, most of your audience are on Facebook. You can say maybe Facebook, so you find campaigns. So you can see these ones, the ones content creators or influencers on Facebook and Instagram. They don't want YouTube here, they want TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Down here they want YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So you can come here, you can check even just Pinterest. You can check Pinterest to see. You can see these ones, they have Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and then Facebook. You can say maybe LinkedIn. Let's say you are an influencer on LinkedIn. Currently they don't have any LinkedIn program here. You can say you are heavy on YouTube like me, so you can find products that want you to create content on YouTube. We are still going to look at some of these products to see what they actually want us to do for them. So you can say Google, let's say you have a blog or stuff like that. You can say TikTok, you can say Twitch, you can say WeChat, and a whole lot of them. So you can say Weibo, you can say Snapchat. So this is like a not so it's a new feature, so there are still as you can see, it's just 123, which may not be enough, but of course I'm sure this is going to improve as the time comes. So you can also come here and select them by the compensation type, and this is where you start you decide the kind of people you want to work with. So you can say you want to work with people who have flat fees. All right, some of them, they have flat fees. So these guys, they want to pay you $50 dollars. All right, these ones, they want to pay $500. This one $200 plus 10% per sale plus a free product. These ones, they want to pay $1,000. These one $1,000, $1,000, $500, 500 Canadian dollars, $150 plus free product plus free product. You can come here, you can say you want to state your own fee. So this means this program is going to be negotiable, so you can apply. When you apply, you state how much you want, and then these brands, they are going to negotiate, and then you can reach an agreement and proceed with that. You can say, let's say you are just looking for brands that just want to give out free products, or they are paying but with also free products. You can see this one, it says you can provide your rates plus you can get a free product. All right, this one, you earn free products. This one, provide your rates plus free products. Again, performance, let's say you just want CPA programs who are open to just CPA. You can basically see all of them here. All right, so now let's talk about how to actually apply and what you should know about becoming an influencer, what is expected of you for you to successfully do these campaigns. So I'm just going to select the one I would ideally apply for if I wanted to apply, and that's going to be YouTube. So I'm just going to uncheck this one. I want to see programs that are open for YouTube videos. So if I click this, I need to look for a product that would be easy for me to join. All right, product that I have some knowledge about and that I can create content about, because they want you to create content, and some of them, they want to own this content, and you have to meet some certain criteria. They have to equally approve the content to be good before they actually start paying you. So it's important to apply to only something you know that you can deliver on. So let's say, for instance, this is going to be convenient for me since I do a lot of online marketing, and this is 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐿, and 𝐈𝐦𝐻𝐿 is an email and SMS marketing platform. So as you can see here, I'm eligible to join. They don't have any strict criteria, and I'm eligible to join. So once you click on the platform, you are going to see what they want you to do. They just want you to do one task, which is to publish on YouTube. So you have to check out the media kit for more information. You are going to get a media kit when they approve you. This is what you are required to do. When you send them a draft, they have to approve the draft before you proceed. All right, then you are going to equally put a link that they are going to give you in the description of your video, and then the length of the video should be between 5 to 20 minutes. So if you do below 5 minutes, they would probably not accept that. And this is not a recurring tax, it's a one-off tax. So after that, they are just going to pay you, and your job with them is basically done. So if you come here, you can see they allow you to provide your fees, so you can tell them how much you want, so you can negotiate with this. So let's say we want to apply now. We can basically come here. Before you apply, you want to see what they are looking for. They say they are looking for creators who do content about e-commerce, business, email marketing, and similar topics. All right, so if you do not do these things, you are not going to be the right fit. So you come here, you click on apply, and this is where you do a brief. You want to give them a simple brief why you are fit, or why you are a fit for this program. So let's say I wanted to apply to this. I'm going to say, hi there, I am Noel. A content creator with, I'm just going to flaunt a few things, with 2 or multiple YouTube channels that generate around 50,000, or let's say 200,000, whatever number of views monthly. Multiple YouTube channels, because of course they are looking for YouTubers. So I'm going to say with search traffic. So your own pitch is going to be different if you are operating in a different niche of, let's say, more than 400k views monthly. These views are from online business related searches. All right, so I can then include my YouTube channel, because I have a YouTube channel. So if you do not have a YouTube channel, this is not going to work for you, because you are going to obviously need that to publish the content. So I'm going to then put my YouTube link, and then I can apply. So after applying, I'm going to wait for them to give me a feedback. So this is basically how you can apply to the programs or the influencer programs on impact.com. So I'm not going to apply to this now, because I mentally do not have the ability to carry out these tasks. This is currently not in my schedule. But if you wanted to do that, you can basically just join anyone. So let's look at this one. This one says it's they are looking for, if you come down here, see they are looking for creators that have an authentic relationship with the audience. Creators should have a minimum following of 100k or more on YouTube, or 10k or more on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. So this is the motherboard or the product that they want you to talk about. All right, you can come here and say view the entire mood board. You can download it and have a proper look at what they want you to do. So you have to go through it and see if this is something that aligns with what you want to do. So once you have gone through it, here you can see they say you can earn 15%. You can earn $15. This is a compensation, and then you earn $10% per sale, and then you get a free product. So this is what they want you to do. You can publish on Instagram. So you have 4 tags you can publish on Instagram: just video, no referral link, no draft approval, no recurring tags. And you can equally publish on YouTube. If you click on this drop down, you see you can publish to Twitch, you can publish to TikTok. All right, so these are the tags that you are required to do for this campaign. So this is basically how you can join all these campaigns. And if you think you want to start an influencer journey, some of these are very, very easy to join, actually, because these are new platforms and they are ready to try out new things, just like they are ready to try out new markets. So this one is a human hair item. So they say we are looking for creators who know hair well and can make revenue to us. So this, they already have their timeline. All right, so they equally have hashtags that you can use. So you can equally read all their usage rights here, what they can do with the content and that you create for them. So this is already closed, so it's closed in December 2023, but this is how much you would have been able to earn. You earn 8% per sale. So I wouldn't apply to this because I would want my money up front. I'm not here to do any free service for you, man. So this, my friend, is how you can join the Impact influencer program. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and in my next video I'll be talking about how to promote your affiliate links on impact.com. so make sure to check out that video and make sure to come back to this channel again. My name is �WNoel. Bye bye.